Vision boards are BS. Before you come for me, let me explain. People just slap a Lamborghini on there and wish, but in the next few days, I'm gonna be going to a vision board party, a business party, and I want to take you through the journey of building a vision board that actually makes sense. I also want to show you what my husband has done for his own vision board. This might not work for you specifically, but you still have to have some type of vision for your future. So let's go create your vision board. I just got to one of my girlfriend's places. Her name is Xenia, and we are about to get our vision board on. Setting our intentions. Her date of birth is around the corner. We have accomplished so much this year, and it's good to look back and it's good to reflect. I think I got a lot of the things so far. What do you feel? I got my main things that I want, which is my YouTube channel, yeah, my course, my monthly course revenue, woo, and becoming a better entrepreneur. Don't know if you guys can, it's probably not focused. Is it focused? I think it is focused. I found like mental health is good business, ready to compete, and I found passion. Before we do all of the fun things, glitter, lamination, you need clarity. Huge mistake that I see a lot of entrepreneurs, including myself when I started doing vision boards. You need clarity before you even start making a vision board. Let's start from the beginning. Know your position to stand out. Why are you doing what you're doing? How are you gonna stand out doing what you're doing? Even if you don't have a business yet. Do you even know who you're talking to? Your ideal client. Having that personal brand foundation for yourself, even before the logos. Why am I doing this? Who is it that you help? How are you helping them? These are questions that you have to ask yourself in order to create all of the fun stuff. Now, it may feel like it doesn't make sense, but when you know what you're talking about, who you're talking about, even down to the dollar amount that you want to make this month, this year, the next 5 years, then you will know how to create your vision board. Also, what you have to do is figure out what happened these past few months or even a year that just passed. What happened? What can I improve? What did I like? What didn't I not like? Because again, without clarity, this isn't gonna work. This actually has a purpose and it can work for you if you have clarity. How much money did you make last year? Where did you make money? Did you have a new side hustle? How did you organize that side hustle? Did you even like it? For example, I started Turo in May of 2022. I thought it was gonna be a really good idea until it wasn't a good idea. I needed the car and I was missing out on certain things I needed to do. I quickly realized in December that this does not make sense for me. Those extra $500 I was making a month wasn't worth the peace of mind. That's on my sheet. That's on like when I went back and like how much money did I make? Okay, I made a few extra thousand this year, but was it actually worth it? Another thing you can do is think about your word of the year. Picking a word that resonates, but not only that, you live by. Imagine that you pick the word community and everything that you do revolves around community. Building your online community, Instagram community, outside of Instagram community. Or if your word is influence, live your days by, live your months by, and ultimately get to your goal. If you have no idea where to start, I have a bundle for you. It's a personal branding and New Year reset bundle. Grab it. It gives you prompts that you can just pretty much fill out. And once you have that clarity, you're gonna be able to cut out fun vacation photos, but really focus on what are you going to do in the next 1 year, 5, or up to 10 years. So let's keep creating vision boards.
What's good, Dama?
Hey, David. Yeah. You're gonna do it, dude. He's gonna do it. My husband has his own vision board. He started his in 2021, a 10-year vision. He has specific dates that he wants to do things himself, his business, the family. What I love about his vision board is that it's so specific within the next year. What we want to do within the next 5 years, very specific to date. It's long-term planning. For example, he put my vision on here. It says teach seminars and motivational speaker 2026 goal. I was able to do that in 2022. So it is important to have something like this, but if not, you may need something fun like this. So let's create it. Okay, we're off to the business fun event. I'm excited. I don't know what to expect, but let's go do it. Ooh, and they have a vision board portion, so I'm excited for that. Hey! actually going to be doing the vision board